Hello, thank you once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you again the best way you can generate very realistic images using the Bing image creator. So what you need to do, I would say that the secret is actually to give it to give it a very interesting should I say descriptive, be descriptive with whatever you want to achieve when you try to create the image. For instance, let me say that I wanted an image of a cat. I could say something like a cat, let's say a cat, and then we say create. It's going to go on and just create a cat image. But we can go on and give it to and be more descriptive as to what we want the cat to be, the environment, for example. Maybe that's the output. Maybe that's not what you wanted. Maybe you want it to be in a let's say futuristic city. Let's say I wanted to say city. Oh, let's see. But the cat is a cutie also, so I think that was good enough. Yeah, it understood that I meant city. So now you can see the cat. Our cat is in a city. So we can also say something let's say something like a realistic, realistic cat in a futuristic city. And then let's see what it's going to look like. So as you add more descriptions, it kind of keeps on generating different images based on your description until you get to what you wanted, you see. So the cat now looks quite a bit different, and you can go on. What else could I? Oh, this should be realistic. Oh my, wait a moment, let me change this. Realistic cat in a futuristic city, maybe working around, and we could also say something like a foggy or sunny futuristic city. Let's see. I know it's going to change that to something entirely different, but also more beautiful, I think. So let's see. Yeah, you see what it looks like now. So as you can see, the more you describe what you want the output to be like, the more you get different different options until you get to what you are satisfied with. So that's just how you can easily use this. It's really a very, very incredible AI tool to use. So when you find what you want, as you can see, there are 4 different variations of this image. So once you get what you want, you just click on it, and then you can save it, you can download it, and make use of it. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share. Thank you.